We're here today to announce a partnership between Cybint Solutions and Bossier Parish Community College, and they're establishing a new cyber center here in Bossier City within the research park. Students who take advantage of this cyber center for teaming will be able to do cybersecurity work here, but they'll also be able to work from anywhere, and that's part of the beauty of the Cybint solution.
Bossier Parish Community College received 2 Louisiana State grants to research the feasibility and the impact of establishing a cyber range and enhanced cyber pathways. So classes are going to range from cyber literacy for non-technical professionals to advanced hands-on simulation labs and a cyber range environment for those pursuing a cybersecurity career. As a result of this initiative, BPCC is now going to serve as the hub for Louisiana and will assist with the expansion to additional academic and industry partners. So this is another great example of a whole of state approach to cybersecurity that's happening right here in this region. And this is one of those areas where Louisiana really is leading the way in the country. Other states are amazed at what we have going on here. By aligning education with the needs of the workforce, the CIC and its partners are building that pipeline of cyber professionals who are capable of filling critical high-demand cyber positions all across the state for years to come. And we know that the jobs in this field are going to grow over time. I mean, we just are extremely confident of that, and the complexity of the jobs will change over time. But the foundation is so important, and that's what we're talking about, because our vision is to retain homegrown college students like you who have developed cyber talent, and we want to reward you with good paying jobs post-graduation. But more than just a job, we want you to have a meaningful career. But we want that to all happen for you right here in Louisiana. And there's no better place in Louisiana than along the I-20 cyber corridor.
Today is a big day for Bossier Parish Community College. This is a day we signed an MOU with Cybint Solutions. This is going to be a public-private partnership that allows our college to lead the way first in our region with some innovative cyber education solutions that begin with basic cyber literacy, go all the way up to advanced simulation cyber range training. So we're excited. This is going to provide us an opportunity to make a difference in cyber education in our region and ultimately throughout the state. I was excited to see our university partners here because we are going to work closely together to help expand cyber education throughout our region. Grateful for the governor being here and being a part of this announcement. Great day for BPCC, great day for Northwest Louisiana. Really want to give some recognition and credit to several of our folks at Bossier Parish Community College. We have some amazing faculty and staff. Our leadership in the technology, engineering, and math division were the ones that made this possible.